Welcome to our channel. If you want to lock your Truist card to prevent unauthorized transactions, follow these step-by-step instructions to temporarily secure your account. Step 1. Open the Truist mobile app on your smartphone. Log in using your username, password, or biometric authentication, such as fingerprint or face recognition. Step 2. Navigate to the main menu or dashboard where your accounts are displayed. Select the card you want to lock from the list of available cards or accounts. Step 3. Look for the Card Management or Security Settings section, which may be labeled as Manage Card, Card Controls, or Security Settings. Step 4. Find the option to lock or freeze your card. This feature is typically represented by a toggle switch or a button labeled Lock Card or Freeze Card. Step 5. Tap the lock or freeze option to temporarily disable your card. This will prevent any new purchases, withdrawals, or other transactions while keeping your account active. Step 6. Review the on-screen confirmation message to ensure the card lock has been successfully applied. Some apps may send you a notification or email confirming the action. Step 7. If you need to use your card again, simply return to the app and toggle the lock off to reactivate it immediately without needing to contact customer service. Step 8. Regularly monitor your account activity to ensure there are no unauthorized transactions and keep your app updated to access the latest security features. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.